When it comes to cookware that delivers both durability and versatility, this Cuisinel Cast Iron 24-piece cookware set stands at the top. Whether you're an experienced chef or a home cook looking to elevate your kitchen, this all-encompassing set is your go-to choice. Packed with a range of premium cast iron pieces, the Cuisinel set equips you with everything needed to master a wide variety of dishes. Let's explore why this cookware set is a game-changer in the kitchen. Why choose the Cuisinel Cast Iron 24-piece cookware set? The Cuisinel Cast Iron 24-piece cookware set is designed to meet the needs of passionate home cooks and professionals alike. From frying delicate fish fillets to searing a perfectly cooked steak, this set offers unparalleled versatility. The meticulously crafted cast iron pieces are seasoned and built to withstand years of regular use, providing reliable performance with each cooking session. Whether you need a skillet for quick stir-fries, a braiser pan for slow-braising meats, or a griddle for pancakes, this set has you covered. Not only does the set ensure excellent cooking results, but it also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen with its classic cast iron appeal. Key features of the Cuisinel Cast Iron 24-piece cookware set. Complete culinary set. The set includes everything you could ever need in a cookware collection. 8-inch skillet with cast iron lid, 10-inch dual-handle braiser pan with glass lids, 12-inch skillet with glass lid, 10.5-inch square grill pan with glass lid, 10.5-inch round flat griddle, 2-in-1 multi-cooker, 12-inch and 15-inch pan racks, silicone handle grips for extra safety and comfort, pan scraper for easy cleaning. This set is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen arsenal and diversify their cooking. No need to buy individual pieces. You'll have everything needed for various cooking techniques, from frying and grilling to baking and braising. One of the standout features of the Cuisinel Cast Iron cookware set is its exceptional heat distribution. Cast iron is well known for its ability to retain and distribute heat evenly, ensuring that your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. Whether you're cooking on a grill, stove, or induction cooktop, the smooth finish of the cookware promotes even heat, preventing hot spots and allowing for precise cooking. Each piece in the Cuisinel set is crafted from seasoned cast iron, which is renowned for its long-lasting durability. The strength of cast iron ensures that this cookware can withstand years of heavy use without losing its performance or beauty. This means fewer replacements and long-term value for your investment. The set includes silicone handle holders that provide a non-slip, secure grip while cooking. These grips are designed to protect your hands from the heat. However, remember that silicone can still heat up, so always use an oven mitt or towel when handling the cookware to avoid burns. Cast iron requires some maintenance to keep it in top condition. After each use, you should hand wash the cookware, dry it thoroughly, and season it with a bit of oil to prevent rust. Although it might seem like extra work, the reward is a durable, easy-release cooking surface that improves over time. Do not put these pieces in the dishwasher or allow them to air dry. Regular care will make the seasoning process better, allowing you to achieve a naturally non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleaning. What makes the Cuisinel Cast Iron set stand out? Versatility. Across cooking methods, whether you're frying, grilling, baking, or braising, this set is versatile enough to handle various cooking techniques. It works seamlessly on induction cooktops, gas stoves, electric ranges, and even over open flames. Timeless appeal. Cast iron is a timeless material that adds a rustic, yet sophisticated touch to any kitchen. The Cuisinel cookware set brings both aesthetic appeal and high functionality, making it an ideal choice for those who appreciate classic cookware. Perfect for all cooks. Whether you're a beginner looking to experiment with new recipes or a seasoned chef who demands reliable, quality cookware, this set is designed to deliver consistent, high-performance results for cooks of all levels. The Cuisinel Cast Iron cookware set is perfect for home cooks and food enthusiasts. This set is ideal for anyone looking to elevate their cooking game. From beginners to experienced cooks, the range of pieces included ensures you're ready for almost any cooking scenario. Chefs looking for reliable cookware. For professional chefs, having dependable cookware is essential, and this set delivers just that. With precision heat distribution and long-lasting durability, it's a great choice for serious cooks. Gift seekers. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for a foodie or someone just starting their cooking journey, the Cuisinel Cast Iron set is a perfect choice. It provides everything needed to create delicious meals, and it looks great in any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.